Hi guys, and today I'll be doing a Lego review of this ATTE Captain Rex's. It has 5 figurines including the Stormtrooper, Imperial Inquisitor, 5th Brother, Commander Gregor, Captain Rex and Commander Wolfie. It looks pretty big by the box, so let's see if it really is. Let's just get it. Looks like there's a lot of packages in here. The instruction manual and some stickers. That's it guys for packet 5. Let's go straight to number 6 because this packet 5 was the hardest out of all of them by far. It was so hard, especially the legs, really hard. So let's go ahead and open the packets. I bet you this one's going to be hard as well guys, because the whole of this episode, it's all been hard. It's never been easy. So guys, I just finished bag 7 and now I'm on bag 8, so that was actually quite hard, bag 7. It was very hard, so yeah, I'll tune back in when I'm on bag 8. Star Wars Captain Rex's ATTE. It was an epic build and I think it's worth its money. I took a long time to get that money out of my pocket money. I think it's right for its age to be 9 to 14 as some bits are quite hard. Its best features are like these cranes and the lasers. It can move up and then when you press this down it just fires off. And then these lasers move. It's got a secret compartment here and then you can pull out a chair where your figurine goes. Some bits do fall off, but I find it's very good. It's got a secret compartment here to keep the ammo for this laser, and it's these two. It also has another secret compartment. When you open this, there's a storage room with a little camera in it, and there's a screen with a tiny little cup of tea. It can hold these items. It can hold these items in it. It can hold up to 4 items. The side panels were the hardest, especially these little things. I could not have done it without this, the brick breaker, because it helped me when I dislocated any brick. The legs were very, very, very fun to make. I like the fact that it has 6 legs and not only 2. Or Captain Gregor and Captain Rex. And the final figure is the Sith Lord, the 5th brother of the Inquisitor in the Ezra series. It's very interesting to make this amazing model. It also has this tiny little crane. It looks like a satellite, but I just use it for picking it up. I don't really trust it with picking up because it might fall down. The manual was very, very helpful. I could not make it without the manual. The manual had everything. I think it would be impossible this if it never had the manual. It has all of these pieces, 3 pages of them. 1, 2, and the final page. I think there is over 1,000 pieces in this model. When I got to the final page, I was very, very relieved that when I just got to the final, because it took me ages to actually build all of this model. Guys, this is my first LEGO review, so please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Next week I'll be doing the Millennium Falcon. See you later.